mechanism where we can ask the server, hey, is this user in your list of users, right? It comes back either with null or with a not found. And we can handle that and do this, use this mechanism from our Angular side. So let's go back to our application, our Angular application. Here's our node server. Let's look at our Angular application. There's our Angular application. So notice that our login basically here was doing blindly checking to see if the username and password was equal to a hard-coded username and password here. So instead of doing this, let's go out to the server. Well, let's go out to the server. We're going to say something like fetch, right? And we're going to go out to, what's the URL? I forget. That's the URL. So let's copy that. So that's the URL. And I'm going to build this URL from the username and password that I have here. So I'm going to make this a backtick and close this backtick. And now this becomes $ this dot username, and this becomes this dot password. We close it. There we go. So it's going to pad the same thing we were doing at the browser, but we're doing it programmatically from here. Yes, and we're going to check to see. Oops, sorry. This comes back with a then, with a response, which we're going to map. We're going to parse as a JSON, hopefully. Right, and hopefully we'll have a user here, right? And the user, we're going to, if it's a valid user, what would we do? We would navigate, right? We would navigate. We would do a this router, and navigate. Okay, let's check that. Let's see if this works. So let's see the Angular application. Where was it? I forget. Where did we put it? I think it was this one, right? Let's go back to login, and we can see the network here as it works through this. And we tried to Alice login. Didn't seem to work. Alice comes back with an OK. The preview. We sent the username and password. Alice. I don't seem to have a response from the browser. Why not? Okay. Oh, it looks like we have an error. Oh, I know. Yeah, we have access denied, right? Because we never added course support like we had to do in Java. Same thing here, right? We have the client running on 4200 and we have the server running on 4000, right? Two different ports. We have to turn on course. Let's do that.